Here I've got OPPO A31 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings and then find and select sound and vibration, and here just pick a ringtone, but at first let me volume it up so you can hear it clearly, then pick ringtone, and now let me show you all the options starting with pure. Then you can also pick some other tunes if you want to. Let me show you a few of them: Harp, Joy or Bright. But obviously most suitable for ringtones are one from this album, so let me pick for example Toys, and then smoothly go back. As you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.